For me, PanOptix is going to be a game changer. For the first time now, for patients who want to be less dependent on their glasses, we have a technology that can deliver terrific vision at all distances. For me, I get my biggest excitement by seeing how satisfied and happy our patients are. It's emotional when people can not use glasses for the first time. And we experience that now with current technologies, but when they have a full range of vision, it's totally different. When you see someone, you hear about someone who's playing piano, answering their emails, threading a needle, sewing, reading books, magazines, in dim light and bright light, when they truly have their vision restored to where they can lead a normal life without being dependent on glasses. And this is a technology that we just haven't had before. When you see that emotion from patients, that just gives me a rush. It's what I do and why I do what I do.
I got to tell you, the patients are thrilled with the range of vision. I don't have to ask them, or they don't come in telling me, yeah, I can see here, but I can't see here. Or I can see here, but I can't see there. It just seems to flow. When I entered into the PanOptix study, I was very cautious as to what I would tell the patients about their reading vision. Distance is going to be good, intermediate's good, you might need some glasses for reading. We're finding that that's not the case, so they've been very, very thrilled with their reading vision. So it truly is a win for the patient.
I think the best reaction that I had was patients just being surprised that they could experience the vision of their younger years, something that they've dreamt of, but they didn't ever really believe that they could totally get it back. They felt that they could get back the clarity because they've heard that a lot with their friends who have had cataract surgery. But I think the most surprising thing that I saw with the PanOptix lens was the range of vision that it gave patients and how that excited them. I've had patients get emotional with the PanOptix lens for how it changed their life. I think the PanOptix technology is a very big deal and is going to help advance cataract surgery in our country.